Hola amigos. Hello friends. Sketchmaker Pro will allow you to create amazing text-to-speech whiteboard videos in minutes. Sketchmaker Pro is the easiest whiteboard video maker on the market. First, there are not long-lasting downloads or installation problems. You just use your computer's browser and use it. Second, it is so easy to use. You just drag and drop your favorite images, backgrounds, MP3 music, some text, your own voice, or text-to-speech voice and done. It is so easy to use that 10 minutes from now you could be using Sketchmaker Pro and showing your amazing creations to your clients, friends, or family. They will envy you so much. What are you waiting for? You have nothing to lose. Give it a try. Plus, you get 30-day money-back guarantee. Arrivederci. Goodbye. Hasta la vista amigos.
Are you looking for a dentist? Meet Dr. Jackie Chen. Dr. Chen will fix any problem you have. Any problem? Yes. Dr. Chen loves to listen. Especially couples problems. But she will fix your teeth too. She is waiting for you. Do not make her wait. She gets angry. Book your appointment now.
This is Tom. Tom wants to get fit. Tom went for a walk because he wants to find a gym. Tom couldn't find a gym he liked. Tom got a better idea. He got the Gym Pro 3000. Now Tom is happy. He even got a girlfriend. Get your Gym Pro 3000 now.